What's up, everyone? My name is Dora, and you're watching Creative Bath Lab. Today, I'm showing you how to make a luxurious, sparkling bath oil. The bath oil creates a shimmering oasis of warm, velvety, milky pearl bath water that's wonderful and relaxing. It leaves skin silky soft, hydrated, and glowing. You'll definitely need oil. I'm using jojoba. It has a medium weight and a fast absorption rate, so it'll feel wonderful and moisturize skin without a greasy feel. I highly recommend an emulsifier like Polysorbate 80 so the oil mixes with water. The rest of the ingredients are completely optional, but I'll be adding the following. Glycerin, because it's a non-greasy emollient that's easily absorbed. It mixes with water naturally, and to give the bath oil maximum transparency. You can also use sorbitol or dipropylene glycol. BTMS25 is an emulsifying wax. It emulsifies everything together and thickens the mixture so the mica remains suspended. Gold Eco Glitter to give the bath oil that dazzling sparkle. It's actually mica, just in a larger micron size. And of course, fragrance oil. Warm, sensual scents that smell high-end, like these from the Flaming Candle, go perfectly with this rich, dazzling bath oil. Cashmere Cedar is sweet, creamy vanilla and warm cedar wood. Honey I Wash the Kids is a bit sweeter and not as warm, like honey and vanilla musk with a touch of floral. And Golden Sands is the sweetest and strongest. It's like a sophisticated sweet vanilla sandalwood. Be sure to check out the description for the recipe, important notes, and the supply list at the bottom. Heat both liquids, then combine them and mix well. It's very important to cool the mixture before adding fragrance and especially the preservative. Subscribe now to show your appreciation and support. Cool the mixture to room temperature before packaging it. Mix it once more right before packaging. I recommend a clear glass bottle, especially if adding the mica. The bath oil turned out really stunning. I mean, like absolutely gorgeous. Just be aware that after a while the bath oil eventually separates and it looks like this. In my opinion, it looks amazing. It looks like an ombre effect on purpose, and I think it looks really cool. Regardless, it mixes back together very easily, and more importantly, it pours out evenly, even after it's separated. To use the bath oil, drizzle it under running water. The bath oil is not greasy, so add it until your heart's content. I actually ended up using 1.5 bottles. I really enjoyed it. It's extremely relaxing. I was in the water for over an hour, just soaking it all in. The bath water has a twinkling milky pearl tint. It feels soft and velvety, and it smells like vanilla sandalwood and honey. The tub may become slippery, so just be careful when you're getting in and out. After soaking in the water, my skin had a subtle scent. It was soft and shimmering, not greasy though. Full disclosure, there will be a slight greasy film left on the tub, which may not be noticeable depending on if you use mica or color, but it's nothing that Scrubbing Bubbles can't handle. I apologize, I never made a tutorial last week. My son was sick with the flu, so I took care of him for 3 days. Then, of course, I ended up getting it and slept for 2 days. You know, I still can't hear out of my left ear. Have you ever experienced that? Talk about annoying. Subscribe now for more awesome tutorials just like this. It's the big red button right under this video.